Now we are at Mozaffariye Timche, which is a section of traditional bazaar in Tabriz. And you can see a lot of beautiful Persian carpets here. This is the section where all of the carpet sellers are here and selling their carpets. This section of the bazaar, in my opinion, is the most amazing and beautiful section of the bazaar. And you can see a lot of beautiful Persian carpets here. These are some of Qashqai carpets. We call it in Persian in that way. And you can see the patterns are really simpler than the other traditional carpets. Persian carpets are really popular between people all around the world. They are really famous and high quality, and they are really beautiful, and they're really expensive too, because the creators use silk in this creating it, and because of that they are really beautiful and expensive. And this is a really high quality gift if you want to buy a souvenir for your family and friends. And if you visit Tabriz one day, make sure that you visit this section of the bazaar too. Persian carpets are divided into two different sections, handmade carpets and machinery carpets. Handmade carpets are the ones that created by hand and by human being, and they are really expensive because they are art of human, and machinery carpets are really cheaper than that because they are made in the factories and they are not as expensive as handmade carpets. And this one you can see here is handmade carpets. And I will tell you about the different type of the Persian carpets too. There are lots of types of Persian carpets here. And these are the rugs I told you about. They are more thicker than the regular carpets, and they are cheaper, has cheaper expenses than other ones, and they have simple patterns like you can see here. You can see how beautiful their patterns are. There are so many types of Persian carpets, each with its own unique design. You have got Tabriz carpets, known for their detailed floral patterns, and Kashan carpets, famous for their rich colors and central medallions. Then there are Gaban rugs, which are more tribal and simple, often with earthy tones. Each region in Iran has its own techniques and designs, so exploring Persian carpets is like traveling across the country. Persian carpets come in a wide range of prices from a few $100s to tens of thousands.
For example, a small simple wool carpet might start around $200 to $500. But if you are looking at a large hand-woven silk carpet with intricate design, it can easily cost $1,000 or more. The highest end antique or silk Persian carpets can even reach prices over $50,000. So, whether you are looking for a decorative piece or an investment, there is something for everyone.
In this traditional bazaar in Tabriz, you can not only find traditional Persian carpets, but also you can find panel carpets and traditional rugs. Panel carpets are really more amazing and more beautiful than the traditional carpets because they are smaller and they use more interesting patterns like I'm showing you in this part of the video, and they are more expensive. Some of them are more expensive than a huge and big carpets because the people worked on them a lot than the regular carpets.
Persian carpets aren't just decorations, they are like pieces of art with history. Each pattern and color tells a story, often inspired by the weaver's own life or by centuries old cultural symbols. Did you know that some carpet designs even represent stories from Persian poetry? So, when you look at a Persian carpet, you are seeing layers of Persian culture woven together. One amazing thing about Persian carpets is their durability. With natural wool and silk and colors made from plants and minerals, these carpets can last hundreds of years. You will even find antique carpets from Iran that are still in great condition after generations of use. It's like an heirloom passed down from one family member to the next, full of memories and meaning.
Telling us that these carpets are in Hadis and Mehraban style, and these are about 6 meters. And the price of these carpets, of this beautiful carpet, is about 90 million tomans to 120 million tomans, which is about, I will tell you the $2,000.